Today we're starting a walk from the heart of the city of London, right here at the Broadgate. We're just behind this scene I'm just showing. So right here at the Broadgate shopping and dining complex next to the Liverpool Street Station. So this place has a fantastic modern vibe. You can just see that with its cool, sleek buildings and a bustling atmosphere. As you can see, there are a ton of restaurants with the outdoor setting, perfect for a sunny day like this. So we're going to be walking all the way to the London Bridge. There's a 20 to 15 minutes walk from here. So I'm excited to show you all the amazing sights we will see along the way. Our route will take us right to the historic city of London, a place where ancient streets are dwarfed by incredible modern skyscrapers. Look at this. This is a great example of London's mix of old and new, tucked away between this glass steel towers.
It's like a really interesting range for the next because it's like kind of low end.
It's a Broadgate Central. A pure iron. This is a pure iron. So this is a picture shows a street with a mix of architectural designs and styles. On the right there is a grand classical style building with a multiple stories and large windows. These are the large windows. And on the left side, if you see it is a modern cylindrical building with a glass facade. Is under some sort of construction or innovation. So in the center there is an intriguing modern sculpture. I think this is the same structure which is present in Belgium. The street is paved and with some people walking and a few vehicles visible in the distance. The buses, taxis, some vans, bicycles. So the area has a professional and somewhat bustling feel. And if we talk about this, a wider view of the same street, it highlights a prominent modern building with a striking red and orange facade. That's really fascinating. And this building contrasts sharply with the more traditional classic style buildings nearby. If you look around, creating an interesting blend of old and new architecture within the heart of the city. People are walking and sitting in the outdoor areas, suggesting this is a public space with a mix of commercial and possibly residential or the office users as well. And this video is like well lit by bright daylight, and this indicates that a pleasant sunny day. The street has a black bollards along the curb, and there's a distant sidewalk area for the pedestrians. I just wanted to point out this thing. If you see this in the picture, in the video, so this a bustling public square for a street in a modern city, and the scene is dominated by a large, eye-catching metallic sculpture consisting of numerous interconnected spheres. You can see this how attractive this spheres are looking, and the sculpture is positioned in the center of the wide paved pedestrians. There's a paved pedestrian walk next to the Elizabeth line, and surrounding the square are a mix of buildings. You can see this mixed type of buildings, and on the left side a set of wide stairs leading down with a glass and metal railing, and some greenery planted alongside, and in the background tall modern glass skyscrapers tower over the area, reflecting the bright sky and clouds. Can you take a view of this? Oh my gosh, it's looking amazing, fascinating. And in contrast, on the right side of the image, this picture, there are older, more traditional style building with the shop fronts, including a pub. The square is filled with the people walking, suggesting a lively and popular spot. The whole atmosphere appears bright and sunny this time, with a clear blue skies and distinct shadows cast by the sculptures on the floor. This is actually creating like most giving the impression of pleasant day. The combination of the futuristic sculpture, the modern skyscrapers and historic buildings here, creating a dynamic and visually interesting urban landscape in this area. Watch. Yep. And look at this clock tower. It shows a historic building with a prominent clock tower made of bricks. I can see that, and featuring arched windows. It's usually in cathedrals and churches. And this building has a traditional, almost industrial Victorian style. Next to it is another older building in stark contrast. Modern glass skyscrapers are visible in the background, and to the left, showcasing a blend of architectural eras, the street itself is paved with a speed limit sign on this side, and visible on the ground. And this a few people are walking and standing in the area, and it offers a wider view of the same area. It's dominated by the group of towering modern glass skyscrapers that reflects the sunlight, creating a bright and busy atmosphere. The skyscrapers are situated behind a row of a traditional lower-rise building, and including one with a distinctive dormer windows and a curved facade, and another with a clock tower that appears to be from the same building as in the first one. And a few vehicles, including black cabs, a common sight in London. The sunny weather and a contrail, the sky adds a bright urban feel